Hi guys and welcome back in MedicalScribe. In this video we will talk about the lateral flexion term. The lateral flexion is a term of movement, which is in fact a special term for the abduction of the neck and the trunk. That's mean, instead of using the abduction with the neck and the trunk, we will use instead the lateral flexion for describing this movement. And mostly we will use this term in the clinical settings, like when we examine the patient or something like that. And this movement occurs in the frontal plane. So, in order to perform this movement, the face and the trunk should be directed anteriorly, while the head and the shoulder will move or will bend to the right side or to the left side of the body, in which the midline will be bent with the direction of this movement. And this movement, which is the lateral flexion, will occur between and by the aid of the vertebra in the vertebral column. So that was almost everything about the lateral flexion term. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.